Ladies and gentlemen, I have a suicidal bird on my hands. I don't know what to do because I can't touch it physically, and it's in my birdhouse I made last year, and I'll show you. It's a blue tit, I think, and look at it. It can't fly, and it's just there. Do not jump out. You hear me? Don't jump out. The mum and dad are right there. They're pissed off with me. I had to go on a manhunt earlier to try and save it because it's over next door. But yeah, I'm going to get away. Oh god, do not jump out. Don't you jump out. So if it jumps out in the night, it's going to die because the cat will have it. So well, it can fly, it just hasn't figured out how to fly off the ground. There's 4 more in there as well, there's 5 of them in there. But they can't seem to gather. Hello? Hello there? Peekaboo? Oh, look at me. Yeah, it's just there in the way. Right, I'll get away. If it flies out, oh my Christ. Okay, so now I'm away. You've got a lot of birds in my back garden. Got no birdhouse there. I made at home. It's not that good. But yeah, that bird jumps out again for the 3rd time. I've got a feeling it's going to jump in a minute. Don't jump. Because the other birds in there are hungry, but they can't get in there because he's in the way. You're in the way. Get out the way. Unless he's hungry. You hungry? Okay, I'll just let them or the parents might not be feeding it anymore. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Well yeah, I'll let them get on with it. I have to keep guard now, so yeah. It ain't gonna go end well for him, that's all I can say. That is all I can say. But yeah, I'll let you know.